Hi everyone, hello. I'm really excited to be here in Manipur, Imphal, and for Miss India 2023, and I'm really looking forward to the event. Really looking forward to who will win it, and then yeah, a bit late. I have to go inside also. So thank you for being here, and thank you for having me. I love you guys a lot. Thank you so much for all the love. I've heard that a lot of my films are being viewed in Manipur. So thank you for that, and thank you for always being welcoming towards me and our industry. So thank you so much.